Hello bestie, welcome back again to the channel. Today my name is Jenny. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you to my new and my returning subscribers. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing some steps on how to stop procrastination as a fashion designer or as a tailor, especially if you are a mom or you are pregnant. A lot of us fashion designers and tailors, we have the habit of procrastinating our work, and most time we actually leave it till night. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some steps on how to stop procrastinating your work and actually get your work to be easy for you at all time. And most of these steps I'm going to be sharing with you guys today have actually helped me a lot. Since I discovered most of this step, my procrastination habit has actually stopped. So the first step I realized is breaking your work into smaller steps. This has really helped me a lot. Instead of cutting and sewing at the same day, you can actually pick a particular day for the cutting. Then the following day can be for the sewing of the ones you've actually cut out. Because big work actually causes delay, but small steps makes it easier to start with. And the second step is remove distraction on duty. A lot of us are actually guilty of this. Our phone is the biggest distraction that has actually makes our work to be delayed, right? Now, what is the right thing to do is to keep your phone away and also reduce the time you spend on social media, especially if you have work at hand. And also try to focus on one task at a time. It really helps a lot. And the third step is give yourself a deadline. You know, most time if nobody is pushing us to do a particular work, we can actually relax, right? So if you must have to finish that work at that particular time, you need to give yourself a deadline. You can actually give yourself a deadline by saying you want to finish 5 dresses a day, or you want to finish a particular dress before evening, or you want to snap and post a particular dress before tomorrow. So these are some of the deadlines that can actually help you in getting that work to be done. And the next step is always start with the hardest work. You see that dress that will actually stress you out, that dress that will give you sleepless nights, start with it. Don't leave that dress for later or leave it in the evening. Use your full and fresh energy to stitch up that dress for a better result. And the last one is get someone to give you a target. This is what I normally do with my friend. So if you have been setting a deadline on your own and you have not been following up with that deadline, what you actually do is to get someone to give you a task or a target. Take for example, if you have a friend that tells you if you don't finish this dress before 4 p.m., you're actually going to pay a fine. Bestie, let me tell you, you want to do everything at your own point or power to finish this dress before that 4 p.m. So guys, I hope these few tips was really helpful to you guys, because it's what I'm using a lot and it has been helpful to me even as a pregnant fashion designer. Please don't tell anyone. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also stop procrastinating and get that work done as fast as possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.